Hot off the press.
Well, Mike, the second book I'd like to review today is Christian Oxyrhynchus.
Okay.
Now, we spoke about Oxyrhynchus last year. I went to the release of this book at the Society of Biblical Literature meeting in San Antonio, and I was really impressed by the panel at the launch. Both authors were there. We've got Blumell and Weymouth, and they discussed the logic behind the volume. The logic and the rationale is as follows. There's a lot of documents that have been found, dry papyri in Egypt, and they are unsystematized, and Christians haven't had a single volume in which all those documents that refer to Christian living or ideas or music are gathered together. And that's what they've done. So you'll find in this volume all sorts of things from Christian receipts for buying things to early Trinitarian hymns to very early papyri. So it's very exciting. I'm going to be using this in my early Christianity class. I'll give you an example. If you turn here to page 321, what you have is a description of a particular artifact that will give you a bibliography. Over the page, there'll be an introduction to that fragment. They'll give you the history. They'll tell you that the date is about 250, so it's quite early. And then they will have a translation of the papyri, and many of the papyri will have the original, a copy of how the papyri lines are broken down. You have a translation and then some commentary, so it's excellent. So this is a very important volume, especially for those of you that teach early Christian studies. I'm going to be using it in the classroom, and perhaps next season I could give you an update about how it went.
Yeah, be good.
But now and not yet.